Okay, in this video, I'm going to solve a question on statistics or data handling. This was a question from November 2021 past exam. It was paper 2, question 2 from DBE. Okay, let's see the question. This is the question. A farm stall sells milk in 5-liter containers to the local community. The price varies according to the availability of milk at the farm stall. The price of milk in rand per 5-liter container and the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold are recorded in the table below. So this is the table. You have the price of milk in rand per 5-liter container, which is X. So you have the price there, and you have the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold, which is Y. So you have the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold there. 2.1. On the grid provided in the answer book, draw the scatter plot to represent the data. Okay, you have the grid provided in the answer book. Okay, let me do this question on the next slide. 2.1. Let's get the question. Okay, this is the question. On the grid provided in the answer book, draw the scatter plot to represent the data. Okay, you have to draw the scatter plot of the data on the grid provided. Okay, let's get the grid. This is the grid you are provided with. This one, you have to draw the scatter plot of the data on the grid here. Okay, you are going to get it in the answer book. Okay, now let's draw the scatter plot of the data. You have your X there and your Y there. You can see your X is there on the horizontal axis and your Y is on the vertical axis. Okay, now let's draw the scatter plot. Okay, 26 goes with 48. Okay, where is 26 here? You can see there is 25 and there is 30. Can you see the difference between 25 and 30 is 5. So how many boxes do you have between 25 and 30? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have 5 of them. That means you have 26 there, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, so there's 26. 26 goes together with 48. Can you see there's 26? Where is 48? There's 48 there. You can see because on the vertical axis, you have 45 there and 50 there. And how many boxes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means each box is 1 unit. Okay. So 46 is there, 47 is there, and 48 is there. It goes together with what? 26. Okay. So the first point will be there. Okay. Can you see? 26 and 48. And the next point is 32 and 30. There's 30. You have 31, 32. It goes together with 30. There's your 30 there. So the next point is there. Can you see it? And the next point now is 36 and 26. There is 35. So there's 36 there. And 26 is there. Can you see? Because this is 25 and we have 26 there. So 26 goes with 36. So 36 on the x-axis, there's 36 and 26 there. Okay. So this is the next point. And then now you have 28 and 44. 28 on the x-axis, where is 28? You have 30 there. So this is 29 and this is 28. 28 goes together with 44. Where is 44? Can you see it below 45? So you have 28 there. Can you see? And 44. Okay. And the next point now is 40 and 23. Where is 40? There is 40. It goes together with 23. So you have 25 there. So you go 24, 23. So 23 is there, and 40. So this point is 40 and 23. And the next point is 33 and 32. So there is 33 there because this is 35, 34, 33. So 33 goes together with 32. There is 30, 31, 32. So it's there. Okay. So 33 and 32. Now it's 29 and 39. There is 29 there. Where is 39? It's below 40. Can you see? There's 40. So it's there. Okay. And the next point is 34 and 29. There is 35. You have 34 there. So 34 goes with 29. Where is 29? 29 is there below 30. Can you see? So 34 and 29. Okay. And now it's 27 and 42. Where is 27? There is 27. Can you see 25, 26, 27? It goes together with 42. Okay. There is 40, 41, 42. Okay. And the last point is 30 and 33. There is 30. Where is 33? Can you see there is 35? So 34, 33. Okay. So this is 30 and 33. Okay. And we are done. So this is the scatter plot they want you to draw. Okay. So now let's do the next question. Okay, 2.2. Let's get the question again. Okay, this is the question. 2.2. Determine the equation of the least squares regression line for the data. Okay, so you are going to need your calculator. Okay, so the equation is this one in standard form. Y is equal to A plus BX. Okay, okay, let's do it. So this is the calculator you need. So you need a scientific calculator. Okay, to get your A and B, you need to insert the data inside the calculator. How do you do it? Okay, let's do it. So you press mode and then you choose start, which is option 3. Okay, and then you choose 2 because you have A plus BX. Can you see it? You have A plus BX. There is A plus BX. You want to determine your A and B. Okay, so option 2. Now you can insert the values. You have your X and your Y. So you have 26 there. You press equal. And then you have 32. Can you see it? And then you have 36. And then you have 28. And then you have 40. And then you have 33. And then you have 29. And then you have 34. And then you have 27. And then you have 30. Okay. You are done with X. Now you need to insert your Y. Okay. So to insert your Y, you shift this side. You press this button. Okay. And then you go up. So 26 goes together with 48. So you have to respect the order. 26 goes together with 48. So let's insert 48. You press equal. Can you see 26 with 48? And then 32 goes together with 30. Okay. There is 30. And now let's insert the remaining values. So you have 26. And you have 44. And you have 23. And you have 32. And we have 39. And we have 29. And we have 42. And we have 33. So now, when you have finished inserting all the values inside the table, you now go and press AC. Can you see? And you press Shift and you choose start. Can you see start above 1? So you choose 1 and you choose 5 for reg. This is regression. So you choose 5 and now you can get your A and your B. So to get your A, you press option 1. So you press 1 there and then you press equal. So what is A equal to? A is equal to 90.48 to 2 decimal places. Okay. So A is equal to 90.48. Okay. Now let's get B. You press AC again. You press shift and then you press 1 for start. And then you press 5 for reg. Now you need B, which is on option 2. So you press 2 and then you press equal. So this is B. Can you see it? So B is equal to negative 1.77. You can see it. Okay. So now you have your A and B. So you can plug in these values in the equation and then you have the equation. Okay. So Y is equal to A is 90.48 plus B, which is negative 1.77x. Okay, so this is the answer to question 2.2. Now the next question 2.3. Okay, if the farmer sells a 5-liter container of milk for 38 rand, predict the number of 5-liter containers of milk he will sell. So you need to predict the number of 5-liter containers of milk he will sell if he sells a 5-liter container of milk for 38 rand. Okay, so you are going to use this equation to predict. So the equation is Y is equal to this. You have it from the previous question. Okay, so 38, the price, which is X, you are going to plug it inside there and then you get your Y. So Y is equal to, you have 90.48 minus 1.77 and then you plug in 38 in the place of X. Can you see it? Okay. And what is Y equal to? Use your calculator. So you have 90.48 minus 1.77. You have 38 in bracket. And this gives you 23.22. Can you see it? So it's 23.22, which is the number of units sold. Okay. Now let's do 2.4. Refer to the correlation between the price of 5-liter containers of milk and the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold, and comment on the accuracy of your answer to question 2.3. 2.4. Okay, let's get our calculator again. Okay, you need to find the value of R. From the value of R, you can now comment on the accuracy of your answer to question 2.3. Okay, let's get the value of R first. You can see you have start there. It means that the values that you inserted in the calculator is still in the memory of the calculator. So there is no need for you to go back and insert the values again. All you have to do is to press shift. So you press shift and then you choose start, which is on 1. Okay. And then you choose reg, which is option 5. Okay. And then now you can get your R, which is option 3. Okay. Let's choose option 3 for R. Okay. What is R? So this is the value of R. So R is equal to negative 0.94. Okay. Okay. Let's close this. We have the value of R. Now the value of R indicate that there is a strong negative correlation between the price and the number of 5-liter containers sold. So there is a strong correlation which is negative between the price and the number of 5-liter containers sold, because this is very close to -1. Okay, so if you have -1, it means you have a perfect correlation. Since this is very close to -1, we'll say that there is a strong negative correlation. If it was -1, we'll say there is a perfect negative correlation. Okay, therefore, there is a chance of the prediction in question 2.3 being accurate. Okay, because you have a strong negative correlation. If R was equal to 0, then you will know that there is no correlation. Okay, so this is all for question 2 from November 2021 on statistics or data handling. If you find some value in this video, don't forget to put your comment, your likes, and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you can have these videos coming your way. You can see down below is my name and the email address at which you can contact us. If you have any question or anything that you would like to let us know, feel free to use the email address down below. As for now, take care and see you next time.